Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can cut the 4K quality of your video with VN application. You just need to open your VN application by open the app library, just tap VN and just go open it. Open the project that you want to make it become the 4K quality, and you just need to click on this top side. There will be like 3 options there. Go click the blue button one. And now we will have an option to export this video. So the first option could be the resolution. There will be like several options. There will be like 540p, 720p, 1080p, 2.7K, and 4K. If you want to get 4K, just tap into the last one. But you need to remember that the higher the resolution, also the higher the estimated file size could be. And then you just need to go click this FPS, which is the frame rate for your videos. So the highest will be the smoothest your video too, and you can also adjusting for the average bit rate into the highest one, but that's not necessary for me. So after you're done, just need to go click export, and you will got the 4K resolution for your video editing with a VN. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.